Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, congratulations to all the teachers for celebrating Teachers' Day. In my 42 years of career so far, I have an honor of producing 10,000 students. Some of my brilliant students and their students have become teachers. So this is the third generation of teachers I am blessed with. I have taught at Dawood University, NED University, Karachi University, Hamdard University, Bahria University, and of course ZABIST University. I am here for the last 11 years. I have also an honor to receive the Best University Teacher Award by Higher Education Commission Pakistan in 2007. To me, just a classroom study is not enough. I have always emphasized on training. I believe teachers must be a role model for their students. Students sitting in the class observe everything of a teacher. It's not just the education what they are getting from them, but also the punctuality the teacher is following or not. Because if you are not punctual to your class, so you can't teach a lesson to your students for punctuality. You have to be punctual. You have to properly wear the dresses, clothes, everything, so that you can create a good personality in your students. Because again I would say, a teacher is not just for the classroom studies. Teacher is there for the complete build up of a character, and that's what we want. And I have seen in my life that when the students, even they do not get good grades from a teacher, but they learn so many other things beside the education, so students always respect them. So that is my way of doing this business or doing this profession. And you know why we call teaching or teachers a noble profession? It is because that teaching is the only profession where you can shape the society. In our Islamic language, we call it Sadqa-e-Jariya, which means that whosoever will get the benefit from your teaching or learning, ultimately the credit will be included in your account. So Allah has promised that whatever the good lessons, good deeds you teach to your students, ultimately it will be transferred to your credit. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, our society is very much fragmented. So I think that teachers should play an important role, and they have to play to build up the good society. So this is my message today, that being a professor, being a teacher, you have to be honest with your profession and try to contribute to your society. Thank you very much.